Standing in the cold, cold rain, I don't even feel the pain. Anything to step away, I know we could both do better. Wish you would've left me here, now I'm just controlled by fear. What's the point in our reflection, if you never look in the mirror? Counting the days until you're gone, waiting for us to carry on. Oh, I'm running, what am I?
Hello good people, thank you for clicking to this video and you are so much welcome to this channel. Please don't forget to give me a like, and if you enjoy this content more guys, kindly subscribe to this channel. So I'm so grateful to God for today and I hope you guys are doing good. And in today's video I'm going to do a monthly shopping haul. I'm also going to do a fridge organization. I'm also going to organize my cabinets, organizing the shopping guys. I've stayed for a very long time without shopping and finally I did a shopping. It's not that big but at least it will push me for like a month or so. So stay tuned, like this video and subscribe to this channel.
After all that we've been through, if you could change my mind, I would do it in a heartbeat. That's if you really love me.
So why is it so hard to let you go? To let you go. So why is it so hard to let you go? To let you go. So why is it so hard to let you go? Let you go. So why is it so hard to let you go? To let you go. So why is it so hard to let you go? To let you go. So why is it so hard to let you go? Let you go. is it so hard to let you go?
This is everything. I've also forgot to show you the potatoes. The potatoes, the matunda, the oranges and the bananas, and the rice nimebuy tuku, yeah, from where I live. And you guys, the cost of living is so high, hey, that unapata you've done shopping ni kidogo, but the money you've spent, it's a lot. So even the soap right now, it's expensive. Na bado sijanunua mafuta. Can you imagine that, you guys? So hizi ni sabuni hapa. Yeah, this was on offer. Siwezi kumbuka nilibuy aje, but it was on offer. I got this sabuni siku hizi pia imepanda bei. Kitambo the soap was so cheap, but right now soap is so expensive. So there's this for a dish cleaner. I got smokies here. There's this soy sauce, guys. There's this mouthwash. I also got this air freshener for the house. I also got this sauce. I got this cornflakes. There's sugar here, kuna chumvi, some milk here, and coffee kama kawaida, you guys. I love coffee. I love coffee a lot. Yeah, so I have these coffees. There's beef cubes. There is also I opted to take this small one, this small packet for porridge, because I don't take porridge a lot. I also got these all eggs, all purpose. There's this unga here. Imagine they don't have Kavagara Raha Premium, so I went with Amaze. Nikikosa Kavagara Raha Premium, I do go with Amaze. Okay, there's this is rice. I don't buy my rice nini kwa supermarket. Kuna place me buy rice. There's this two, but imagine I've never tried this. It's lime, and yeah, they were on offer, so I decided to take two. I also took this Afia. There is also this vinegar. I also got this vinegar. I also got tomato paste. Ziko hapa. I also got Indomie. There is this Nutties peanut butter blue band. I also got this ice cream. Of course, lazima ningeendea hiyo because of the offer. I also got these biscuits because they were on offer. And there's this bread, brown bread. I also have this hot dog bread. This is for making hot dogs. There is this serviettes. We also have these polythenes for storing things in the refrigerator, cereals. I have them that I'm going to store. Also, these papers are also for storage, for organizing your maybe fruits, vegetables kwa fridge. And also I got these packs, containers for, also for what, for storage, for storing maybe food kwa fridge. And yeah, so that's it for my shopping. So guys, stay tuned. I'm yet to clean my fridge, then organize everything that needs to be organized there. And yeah, I like this video, and I'm also going to organize everything else, so stay tuned till the end. So this is the current state of my freezer. Don't judge me because I just boiled cereals yesterday. Some yesterday, some the day before yesterday, and I didn't have these polythings to store to store them. I was saying, since I moved here, I've never done shopping, so this is the first shopping that I'm doing in this new house, and I've never even organized my fridge because this has been the state, you guys. I've only been keeping food there, and here
Winter's here, the snow is falling on our car as we drive for miles to that little town called home. Tinsel hangs from every corner of the house, and Christmas lights shine bright through the cold evening fog. And I hear sleigh bells bouncing off the halls as the church choir sings along. I feel my heart melt when you walk through those doors for Christmas. You're all I want. All I wanted was Christmas cheer and drinks with friends we haven't seen for a while, since I've been to that little town called home. Pine tree dressed up with every ornament we got, and stockings hung and overflowing from the top. And I hear sleigh bells bouncing off the halls as the church choir sings along. Feel my heart melt when you walk through those doors for Christmas. You're all I want. All I wanted was you. 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 And I hear sleigh bells. All I wanted was you. Feel my heart melt. All I wanted was you.
Even now, you're coming up to me, fire lighting up the sky. Feel the ground shaking underneath, trying to take me alive. Get ready for the fallout. Can't stop me now. I got no rival. I'ma find my way through the blood and pain game of survival. Any time or place, watch 'em run away. I got none. I'll be standing on my own, never gonna take
close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading